Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. So I'm super excited because today it's my turn for the Papercraft Society box and I had so much fun designing this. So if you are new to Papercraft Society, it is a monthly subscription box and I will leave a link down below with all of the information, and inside you get £60 worth of product. And as I said before, there's a link down below. It will answer all of your questions. And we also have another video made by Lou on the Crafts Dash channel, and I will link that down below too. But today I just want to show you everything that you get inside the box and my personal thoughts on how I was designing this and putting this together. Okay, so this is a lovely clue here on what is inside the box. We have some beautiful papers using some of these designs, and we have the lovely gold foiling, and all of these Papercraft Society boxes are just so beautiful and they're going to look fabulous in your craft room. Okay, let's have a look inside. So any guesses now on what it could be? Okay, so I have a little note here that I've written: bring your memories to life in the most creative way. So this is something that you can use for your memory keeping. So if you've been following me for quite some time, you know I'm into my mini albums, my traveler's notebooks and scrapbooking, and just recording all of life's moments. Right, so we have the lovely envelope. I know a lot of you like these envelopes. So this is box number 39. Now I am divided on whether to show you the envelope first or the stuff that's inside here. I think I'm going to go straight to the envelope, the tissue paper, because this is the largest clue on what you can make with this box. Okay, so sorry if it's a bit loud. Open all of this up. I'm just going to grab everything out and then we can go through everything. Okay, there's a few hints here already. You're seeing a few clues. Okay, so here are all the goodies, but I'm going to jump straight to this lot here first. So this is a hardbacked traveler's notebook cover, and you get the elastic already put in for you and the elastic to close the album. And again, this is good quality thick elastics, and you also get 3 standard size travelers notebooks to pop inside as well. So you get 3 of those, and this is all in craft. So the first one is plain, the second one has lines on it, and the last one has the square. So it's going to be perfect if you love your bullet journaling. Now these are so easy to pop on. Just find the center, just find the staples there, and you can slide those on. So if you are into my collections and you have the memories collection, which is also a traveler's notebook collection, that collection will work great with this box as well. So let's just slide those on. There we go. So we have our little books there. You could decorate this cover as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's close that, and there we have your traveler's notebook ready to go. So we also have here some chipboard pieces. These are actually wooden. It's they're not chipboard, they're wooden. So we have memories, notes, planner, and journal. So no matter what type of journaling or memory keeping or planning that you do, it's going to work with this. Okay, so we also have a fine liner pen in black, and we have a gold shiny bulldog clip. There we go, very useful for this sort of thing. So here we have the booklet, loads of ideas in here. I had so much fun decorating these, absolutely fabulous. Let's have a look here, step by steps that I made. This is such a long time ago that I did this, so I'm just recapping myself. So we have planner information here on how to make your planner. This is just like the front calendar, like dashboard for every month that you can do, and we have these coming up in the envelope as well. And again, I love this one. This has nothing to do actually with any of the papers. I've only used the stamps. Okay, so I think I should move over now to the envelope because I don't want to make any more spoilers before you get to see what's inside the envelope. Okay, so this opens up just like so. And in here we have 2 A5 stamp sets. So I didn't want to include any dies because this is absolutely perfect for packing away and taking with you. And the last thing you want to be doing is then lugging or not being able to use the die machine to carry on with your cuts. Okay, so these are quite simple cuts here if you did want to trim them out. Let's turn this over. So we have the beautiful butterfly and we have elements here from the front of the box. We have foliage. I've got to have flowers and leaves and foliage, and it just teams so well with the butterflies. And we have the arrows here, which is again perfect for your journaling and decorating your pages. Okay, so let's move on to the next A5 sheet. Okay, this is going to be perfect for helping you with your journaling now. So we have the images here to decorate and the journaling section. So we have memories, explore, notes, planner, journal. We have a stamp here. These are separate pieces, so this does come out, these numbers here, they're not joined onto the luggage tag there, so you can stamp that down and trim it out, and you can just add so many elements. And then we have today's adventure here, so again you can trim that out, make it into a pocket if you want to, and then tuck your little tag in. And then we have this lovely menu here that you can tick, or you can just stamp, or just, you know, do individual ones, or you can stamp the whole thing and choose what you want to tick to explain your story. And we have some border decorations here, we have some days of the week, we have a date spot there, lovely camera for decoration, and this one says all the good things, and today we made good memories. So there's a few prompts here on what you can write about and add that little bit of extra interest as well. And we also have the numbers here, so you can fill out some of the information there, or you can just handwrite it in if you want to. Okay, and let's go through the papers now. So these are A5 papers. So we have 2 of these. These are absolutely stunning. I love these. And then we have this lovely pale teal colour, like a duck egg blue. And this has little diamonds on it, little white diamonds. And all of these papers work beautifully together. Then we have this lovely wood grain as well. And also this lovely like pave herringbone style here. So this one's got little, these lines are beige on a cream background, so it's not completely white, it's a slightly off-white colour. Okay, and as I said again, these are going to work beautifully together. We also have some washi tape, a little sheet of A6 sheet of washi tape there that goes really well with the papers. And then we also have a sticker sheet here, so you will have to trim these off, but they are self-adhesive, and you can just spend, you know, half an hour or however long just cutting all of these apart and putting them in a little pot or a little bag or something, or you can just trim into them when you need them. So it's up to you how you want to prepare your kit. Okay, so I will be doing a craft along with this as well, and I will make sure that that is put onto my social media of when that date is. It's a live craft along, so you'll be able to interact with me and chat with me and ask me questions, and I can answer them. And I was thinking, let's get rid of that glare. I don't know how to get rid of that. Let's pop something over there. There we go. Right, so there is something in here that I did make that I would like to include in the craft along. I'll be doing a couple of projects, hopefully, if time allows. I have made an envelope notebook. Now, I do have some pictures here that I've taken, but I'd love to do this in a video format, and I think this would be an excellent thing for me to make with you guys live during the craft along. It's just simply made with envelopes and the card inserts, so those plain card and envelope packs that you can get is going to work perfectly with this set. And also I'll be putting together one of the traveller's notebooks as well, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you are following me, Helen Griffin UK on social media, and also I'll be using the community tabs here on YouTube as well, just to make sure that you don't miss the craft long, and the craft long will be on the Craft Stash YouTube channel as well, so make sure that you don't miss that. So I hope you really enjoy this kit. Everything is going to be listed down below. Any questions can be asked directly to Craft Stash customer services if they're not answered in the Papercraft Society webpage for that as well. If you ask me, I may not know all of the answers, so the best people to ask would be Craft Stash. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like this kit, and I'll see you again next time.